Hi, it's Paul from Haine, UK. We've got VW Transporter T5. That's 2012 model, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace rear wiper blade. That's model for the tailgate. So we've got one wiper on the back. If you have two-door on the back, you've got two wiper blades. They're slightly longer, I will tell you later, but the fitting is the same. Yeah, to remove it, you need to just pull this part out, which is not easy, and remove like that. I'll show you once again. The problem you might face is because this wiper probably sat on your van for a couple of years. So the best way is to you can use your van key, put the key and twist it, so that will push this fitting out, so you can easily remove it. I'm going to fit Haine rear flat wiper blade. That's 16-inch. If you have two doors, you need two 18-inch with the same fitting. This rear wiper, it's hybrid type, so it's much thicker, has the joints, and there's a few adapters inside, and you need to choose this one. I'll show you how it goes. It's adapter R3, and all we need to do is just open the adapter and place it on the base. We'll click, so two plastic bits goes over, so it stay on. Then this uncover part goes under the wiper arm, and this cover part stay outside. So we need to just open adapter, place the plastic bar of the wiper arm on, click it on, and lock it. All done. Thank you for watching.